Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about COS. 3 syrup will cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Delcure Life Sciences. COS 3 syrup. Uses. COS 3 syrup is primarily used to support heart health and cognitive function. It's packed with nutrients that help keep your cardiovascular system and brain working at their best. Benefits. This syrup is rich in essential fatty acids like EPA and DHA, making it great for the heart and brain. EPA reduces inflammation and balances mood. DHA supports memory and learning. And the best part? It's formulated to be nutritious without compromising on taste. Side effects. Although generally well tolerated, COS 3 syrup may cause some mild side effects such as dry mouth, muscle pain, vomiting, or an upset stomach. If these symptoms persist, consult your doctor. How to use. Use COS 3 syrup exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Shake the bottle well before use, and take it after meals using the measuring cup or dosing syringe provided. How it works. COS 3 syrup works by providing key nutrients that support immunity, brain function, and overall well-being. It helps prevent deficiencies, strengthens bones, and even improves vision, making it a great all-rounder for your health.